Strap in, fuckers, it's episode 3. Hello, hello, welcome to episode 3. If you've been following along the last 2 episodes, we've been getting this bike running and riding, and oh my God, it's so fucking boring. But it is necessary to do what we gotta do, so now we can customize this thing. But today we are gonna strip all of this off. Change the front end and pressure wash any of the shit that's nesting inside of the motor. So let's get started. Okay, the front end I'm gonna use on this bike is a 39mm front end. It was pulled off a Sportster that I had. It's been sitting in this box, taken apart for a few years now. It does feature 6/over tubes, shaved lowers, bars from the Prism Supply, Lowbrow 21 ribbed front wheel, and a full rebuild kit. So yeah, let's get it put together. All right, let's put these together one at a time. So take this little guy right here, put it on the groove on the base of the fork tube. Should just slide into place. And take your dampener rod, make sure the spring's on it, slide it down. Then take this little cap, slide it on like that, slide on your lower, get your 6mm Allen head, go ahead and get it started. Next up, put your spacer down in there, then slide your fork seal, then use your specialty tool, pop it in. Flat head to do this, but let's see if I can do it without it. Inner dust shield, pop it on. Now we're gonna put a little fork oil in it. Now add your springs. Now, normally, I would just put my hand on top of the tube to press it down. I got these lovely Taj caps from Zilstra Cycles. All right, let's see if we can get it started by hand. Do not stab me in the eye. I mean, if you don't risk injury, is it really a chopper? Now, finish cinching down that 6mm socket. Outer dust shield. Voila. Okay, that was a long, tedious process in a very hot metal building. So, got everything stripped off the bike. Let's get it off the lift and swap out this front end. All right, this is the 21 front wheel we're gonna run with this bike. This is a lowbrow ribbed spool. It has 3/4 sealed bearings. Got it wrapped in a Shinko 21. And we're gonna get it spaced using one of their spacer kits. Has many, many sizes, so we can get it spaced for different front ends. But yeah, let's get it spaced and put on. All right, that seems pretty centered there. Let's give that a shot. Want to get my chop together and roll down the street like a bad boy. All right, let me center these bitches. Make sure we get it nice and fucking perfect. Woo! Turn radius has improved. All right, we got it all stripped down. We got the new front end put on, got the bars, risers, new front wheel. Loving the stance of it right now. Next time we're gonna get the tanks mocked up, the fender mocked up, maybe even get into a little bit into the wiring, but stay tuned.